Ready, 1, 2, oh! Oh, mercy.
Oh, it's everywhere.
All right, Mrs. Hodge, big breath in for me, and let it all the way out. Whoa!
Come on right down here.
I'll get a...
Wait, what do you mean by whoa?
Oh, my back just sank. And did we go through the wall?
Full body adjustment, open floor plan included.
All right, Mrs. Peterson, we're gonna open that spine right up. Just relax for me.
Oh, okay.
Take a deep breath for me. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip,
Drop
boys.
it!
Okay, just a little pressure here. Deep breath in for me.